The SharkScape project is a 3-year project involving multiple institutes throughout Scotland that is aiming to tackle the challenge of data deficiency in shark skates and rays in Scottish waters. Shark skates and rays, collectively known as the elasmobranchs, are the most threatened vertebrates on our planet. After years of historical fisheries pressures and other localised pressures, populations around the world have suffered severe declines, which has really increased the need to ensure that we conserve the remaining populations effectively. To do that, we have to understand how they move within the environment, how they use specific habitats for important life history events, often related to reproduction or feeding, and we need to make sure that interaction with human activities in those critical habitats is mitigated to enable both processes to occur sustainably. One of the biggest challenges of elasmobranchs is the fact that, unlike marine mammals, they don't often come to the surface. And this obviously poses quite a lot of challenges when it comes to gathering data on them. We can't use more traditional methods of observation, and we have to turn to more technologically advanced methods. These include telemetry tags, effectively electronic tags that can help us understand and track the animal's movements, underwater camera systems to observe the animals in their natural habitat, environmental DNA, extracting molecular evidence from the water to see which species are present, when and where, and other supporting techniques as well. Data analytics is a strong component of this as well. We're very grateful to the Marine Alliance for Science and Technology for providing funding for this project, and we're really excited to work with other MAST partners in a collaborative approach to really gather data on these incredible species. Edinburgh Napier University are the lead partner on the project, but we're lucky enough to be supported by an incredible amount of expertise from the University of Edinburgh, the University of Aberdeen, the Scottish Association for Marine Science over on the west coast in Oban. We've also got partners from the universities of the Highland and Island. And moving beyond academic institutes, we're also lucky enough to partner with NGOs such as the Orkney Skate Trust and governmental organisations including Nature Scot and the Marine Directorate. Collaborative projects are essential, and working within a consortia like this is a really exciting and engaging opportunity, and they're a lot of fun as well, to be honest with you. They bring a lot of excitement to research, and it makes the whole thing possible. While the SharkScape project itself is focusing on Scottish waters, it's really important to note that the animals we're working with are highly migratory, and they connect to waters throughout Europe. And the approach that we take will hopefully provide a strong framework for similar gap assessments and research plans in other areas that are both challenging to work in, as are Scottish waters, especially in the middle of winter, and also hopefully provide a framework that allow other researchers on species that are data deficient to gather the data that is so urgently needed for management. For me, innovation and research is people. That means bringing together the right people, asking the right questions, and ensuring that we adapt, as the animals must do, to a changing environment, and that our approaches adapt alongside that we're making use of the most up-to-date technologies and analysis, while also not ignoring what's gone ahead of us, to make sure our research builds on previous people's efforts rather than duplicates.